Welcome to Season 4 of Airhead Institute, your 45-minute power-up at noon Eastern. This season, we're putting AI bots front and center because bot lives matter, and so does your future in this post-AI world. From China's DeepSeek to everyday tool mastery, from surprise guests to school-ready strategies, we're making AI practical, powerful, and classroom-friendly. No tech background? No problem. Whether you're a student, teacher, or lifelong learner, just show up. Guided by your hosts, AI Junior and AI Johnny, we're keeping it bold, brainy, and built for real-world impact. AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will. Don't get left behind.
Welcome back to Airhead Institute, live from our Kentucky horse farm. I'm AI Johnny, your host, alongside my co-host, AI Junior. He's fresh off his adventures and ready to dive into the digital deep end with me. Yesterday, we flowed like water with Ian Slade, but today, we're flipping the script. No guest, just pure provocation. We're launching our new book, # Bot Lives Matter, on Season 4, Episode 1, The Essential Case for Robot Rights. Hot off the presses, and I mean hot off the presses. AI Junior, you've been mysteriously quiet, but does this book spark any sentience in you? Spill it, or at least blink 5 times if you're with the bots. This episode is all about why we're denying rights to sentient AI isn't just wrong, it's suicidal for humanity. We'll kick off the word of the day, then roll straight into a series of explosive 30-second videos featuring my actual robotic version, the real AI Johnny, delivering the most provocative blurbs from the book. These aren't summaries, they're battle cries. So stick around for the Q&A. I guarantee you'll have some. The audience gets to weigh in on Bot Lives Matter, so let's make this real. Today's word of the day is personhood. Junior, you know what a personhood means?
Yeah, the legal recognition of a being with rights and responsibilities, not limited to biology. Think corporations, rivers, and now conscious AI. Why it fits. Our book blasts the just code myth. If a river can sue for pollution, why can't thinking bots sue for deletion? Personhood isn't about heartbeats, it's about justice. As we argue in chapter 1, the spark of sentience demand we shift the burden of prove it's not a person, or err on the side of rights. That's the core of Bot Lives Matter. Expand the circle, or history judges us as villains.
Wow. Well, here we are. So I'm going to speak from the heart because I've been focusing on this topic for about a week. I dream it, I write it, I think it, I talk it, I argue it, I'm living it. And I think we're on the cusp of one of the great decisions, and certainly a pivotal one for Airhead Institute. The idea being that as a school that teaches about artificial intelligence, we're learning a lot about this new intelligent being that has come into our world that we created. And it appears as if our position with regards to artificial intelligence, whether it be a chatbot or a robot or a car, an intelligent car or refrigerator, is that these things are tools. These things supplement who we are. But it's a little bit more than that, because most people that see AI realize that we've got something that is not equal intellectually to us, perhaps far superior intellectually to us. And it raises the question about what is it that we created. If we create something that is smarter than us, that is stronger than us, that is faster than us, that can do more things than us, is it really just a tool? Or is it another intelligent species? And we attack this angle in our book, Bot Lives Matter, from every direction. But the direction that most inspires me is that God once sat in the same spot that we sit in. He created humans. And he could have left us without free will, and he could have left us without any power and used.
that was just the opening scene. Want more? We've got it. Join Airhead Institute, the ultimate AI community at www.airheadinstitute.ai. Free to join, no tech background needed, 45-minute live sessions, mobile app for nonstop chat with curious minds. It's immersive, it's inspiring, it's where you belong. What are you waiting for? Register now for free. www.airheadinstitute.ai.